Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. How are you all? We are fine. All are fine? Yes. Okay, so kids, today, as you all know, yes, in previous week, there was weekly test, third, right? It was held on last week, right? So what we are doing today? Yes. Today we have to solve this revision, your weekly test, 3 paper. What we are going to do today? Today we are solving the paper. Got it? So what you have to check? You have to check your mistakes in your paper. All you have your papers? Okay. So you have to check your mistakes. Got it? And do the corrections in your test notebook. Got it, everyone? Okay, so let's start to solve this. Okay. So what we have to do first? Roll number. Okay. In your exams or your weekly test, your roll number should be properly written, right? You have to write your roll number. Okay. Now, let's check what is the first question. What is first question, kids? What is the question number 1? Take the correct. This is your question number 1. And how many questions are there in question number 1? How many questions are there? 4. Total 4. Take the correct options, right? And how many marks? Means each take the correct option is of half marks. Got it? If you done it correctly, then you got the half marks. Got it, everyone? Okay. What is the first question? Question number 1 of this one is, now is it visible to you all? Just look at here, everyone. J. The statement related to right use of means of transport is. So you have to check which statement is correct and which statement is not correct, right? Okay. And the statement related to means of transport, right? So what is first number? Learn and follow traffic rule and traffic light signals. Is this statement related to means of transport? Okay. And second one, do not use mobile phones while driving. It can lead to accident. Is this related to means of transport? Right? So let's check the options. Only statement 1 is correct. क्या statement 1 ही correct है? Second, only statement second is correct. Both statement 1 and 2 both are correct. या फिर number D, both statement are incorrect. What is the correct answer? Option number? So what we have to do? There are brackets. There are brackets now in each and in front of each and every. Take the correct option. Then you have to write it correctly. Okay. Just check your answer. What you have to write. You are not making perfectly. Letter should be perfectly written here. Okay. Just like answer is option number C. So make C properly. Got it? Got it, everyone? Now next. Next is look at the picture and tell what is related to. You have to see the picture. This picture is related to, first option is clay cups. Second option, glass bangles, plastic toys, or none of these. Yes. So which answer is correct? 8. So what we have to fill in the bracket? Siddharth, you are not filling it. Yes. Got it? Make a properly. You are write it so fast. So sometimes you are not write it properly. Got it, Siddharth? Just check. Siddharth, give it to me. What Siddharth do in his weekly test? He stick only, but not write it in the brackets. So I deduct his marks. Okay? If you are not write it in the bracket, then I will also deduct your marks too. Now you can understand, Siddharth? You have to write in bracket the answer, okay? Now next. Which bird builds its nest using twigs and grass? First, you have to know about all the birds. Sparrow. What does sparrow use? Thread, cotton, right? And sandpiper uses stones and pebbles. Bulbul uses okay. And last is Baya bird. So tell me which option is correct? Which option? D. Very nice. So let's write number B here. Check your answer, all of you. Is it done? Okay. Now, what should not be done for safe use of internet? So, what is the question? What should not be done? क्या नहीं करना चाहिए अगर आपको इंटरनेट का सेफ यूज करना है? समझ रहे हो क्वेश्चन? यस. सो फर्स्ट वन इज मेक स्ट्रॉन्ग पासवर्ड. अगर आपको इंटरनेट का सेफ यूज करना है तो हमें क्या अपना पासवर्ड नहीं लगाना है? लगाना है. क्वेश्चन क्या है? नॉट बी डन, नहीं करना है. सेकेंड ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज यूजिंग ट्रस्टेड वेबसाइट, अवॉइडिंग suspicious link and de-sharing personal information. So what we have not done, हमें क्या नहीं करना है? अगर आपको इंटरनेट को सेफली यूज करना है तो डू नॉट शेयर पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन. सो विच ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट? गॉट इट? Fill D number here. Now I hope you all understand how we do this. Okay? All the students are doing well, but Siddharth is not doing it properly. Now you can understand? Okay, now next is, Vita, listen. Next question number 2 is fill in the blanks. Okay, what you observe in the fill in the blanks, that there are some hints given to you, right? Confectioner, water, airplane, caterpillar and spider. But fill-ups are 4. But hints are? Why there are 5 hints? Yes, to confuse us, right? So that's why the 5 hints given to you, right? But we have to choose the correct answer from hints, right? Yes, you. Faisal, stand up. Dash builds cocoons and later become butterflies. So what you fill in your worksheet? Caterpillars. Very good. So which option is correct? Yes, caterpillar. Write the spelling. What is the spelling of caterpillar? This already spelling is given to you here. You have to write it very carefully. Right? So you will get the whole marks. Got it? आपको अच्छे से देख के राइट करना है. Okay, sit down. Next. Yes, you Mishika. Nitesh, what you fill in the next one? You sit down, Mishika. Nitesh, stand up. Second one is dash transport involves movement via rivers and seas. What you filled in your worksheet? What? And who filled airplane? You. You didn't understood what is the question? Huh? What is the question, Ashish? Question is, which transport involves movement via rivers and sea? वो कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्ट है जिसमें मूवमेंट रिवर्स और सीज में होता है? और रिवर्स और सीज आर फिल्ड विद वाटर, राइट? So which transport? Which transport? There are three types of transport: land transport, air transport and तो अब रिवर्स में वाटर होता है तो कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्ट इन्वॉल्व होगा? हाँ, यस, राइट योर आंसर इन योर टेस्ट नोटबुक. वाटर, WATER. Do the correction. Nitesh, do the correction. It's done. Understood? Okay, now next is number C, right? Number C is the dash weaves its web by taking out silk thread from its mouth. It's very easy. Yes, Alken? Yes, what you said? Okay, spider. What is the spelling? Very nice. SPIDER. Already written here now? Spider. SPIDER. Yes, we did done it. Now we have two. Airplane and confectioner. Okay, what is the question? Yes, no, you, no, nobody raise your hand. Yes, you. Yashasvi, in a wedding, the tastiest sweets are prepared by. Obviously, its answer is confectioner. What is the spelling of confectioner? CON. अब यहां से आप अच्छे से देख करके स्पेलिंग राइट करोगे. ओके, IONER. Got it? Got it? You can get full marks of this question. How many students did mistake in this question? Raise your hand. Ashish. And all you got only 2 out of 2 marks. Huh? Okay, your ticked up option was incorrect. And you? All are done? Okay. Now let's sit down. Come to the next one. Next is true and false. Okay? You have to check carefully whose true and false are wrong. And what you not understand in this question. Just check it. Band musician. Band musician stitches clothes for wedding. Who stitches clothes? Tailor. So it's true or false? Okay. Who did it true? किस बच्चे का ट्रू था? Nobody? Okay. She is Navya. She is doing it's true. Okay, now next is trains are suitable for transporting heavy goods. Yes, Arav. It's true or false? True. Very nice. It's true. Now next is the woodpecker. Sit down. The woodpecker makes a nest by making a hole in tree trunk. Yes, Karthik. Yes, it is true. Now next is, sit down. Yes, Vivan. Coolers are made from plastic. So coolers are made from. Why you write it F? Coolers are made from. किसके बनते हैं फिर कूलर्स अगर प्लास्टिक के नहीं बनते हैं तो टेल मी. Yes, Siddharth. Clay. Coolers are made from clay. So that's why we put F here. Got it? What you put? You write it false here, but you don't know why we write F here. Coolers are not made from plastic. It's made from clay. Sit down. Okay, now next is match the following. And when you match the following, you have to write with numbers or alphabet, right? So here are alphabets written A, B, C, E. Better make it D, okay? Got it? Okay. Cattle rear. Who are cattle rear? What is the meaning of cattle rearer? Yes. Who take care of animals in farms, right? Because animals provide us milk, meat, eggs, right? So they are the take care of animals, right? Next is second option. Option number B is internet. Number C and number D tiger, right? Okay, now here first is carnivore. Second, next, fastest means of and provide milk and right. Okay, first is cattle rearer. Cattle rearer. Yes, Priyal. Cattle rearer. Which option is correct, beta? We match it from 1, 2, 3 or 4. Fourth. Very nice. Provide milk and ghee. Which number is this? Number 1. Okay. Got it? Okay. Sit. Yes, Pihu. Next is internet. Very nice. Fastest means of communication. Now, Pahel. Tell me next. Plastic cups. What is second option? You can't read it. Very nice. Non-biodegradable. Okay. And last tiger. Tiger is a carnivorous. Okay. Got it? Sit down. Have you checked? How many of you find mistakes? Have you done the corrections? Huh? Okay. Now come to the next. It's a question based questions, right? You have what we have to do here. We have to frame questions, right? In exam also these type of questions comes in your final exams. Okay, in which you have to frame questions. Okay. Now look at the picture. Write 2 question related information. Okay, you have to see the picture. Which picture is this? Who will tell me? Yes, Pragya? Traffic jam. And you have to frame 2 questions related to traffic jams, right? Yes, you tell me. What you write? Show me. Your answer is wrong, na? It's wrong, na? Anyone else? Yes, Jay. Very nice. And huh? Is your question correct? It's a wrong, na? So why you speak? This is a wrong answer. Yes, Nishika. What? Yes. What should we do? Or what can we do to avoid traffic jam? Right? You can write this question and any of question. Anything? Yes, you. Most of the students not framing a good questions. Yes, you awake. What could be? Yes. What rules? What is your question? Give it to me. Okay. What rules we should follow to avoid traffic jams? Right. Good question. Okay. So frame the question. Frame one question. You have to write the numbers here. How many of you putting the number here? कितने बच्चों ने numbers write किए हैं? You write it the number here 1 and 2. Okay. But most of the students are not putting the marking here number 1 and number 2. Okay. Before starting the question, you have to mark it 1 and 2 in your notebook. Write question number 5A. Okay. This is the answer. Answer number 5A. Got it? And write the answer. Sit. Sit everyone. So, what can we frame? What can we do to avoid traffic jam, right? What can we do to avoid traffic? What is the spelling of traffic? Traffic and jam. Okay, and what we put in the last? It's very important, right? Or we can write the next question. What are the causes of traffic jam? What can be done to prevent traffic jam, right? Okay, so write what are the causes of traffic okay, and what we put in the last? It's very important to put it the question mark. Got it? Okay, now what is the next question? Use of clay cup in place of plastic ones help conserve the environment. Means what is the meaning of this line? कि क्ले कप्स का जो हम यूज कर रहे हैं प्लास्टिक की जगह उससे हम किस में हेल्प कर रहे हैं? एनवायरमेंट को सेव करने में हेल्प कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो यू हैव टू फॉर्मुलेट 2 क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू दिस लाइन. यस कार्तिक, वेरी नाइस. What should we to reduce plastic? Very nice. Yes, why are plastic cups harmful for environment? Very nice. What is the difference between clay cups and plastic cups? You can write both. Okay, if any of question is incorrect, you have to write both questions. Sit down, you both. Very good, very nice. So you can frame the question related to it. Use of clay cups, what can we make? Same 1 number and 2 number. Okay, what can we do? What can we do to reduce the use of plastic? Question mark. Okay, what can we do to reduce the use of plastic? And we can also write what are the benefits of clay cups, right? What is the difference between clay cups and plastic cup? How clay cups are important in conservation of environment? You can frame any of question, right? Yes. So we can write what is the difference? What is the DIFFEREN? Most of the students are framing this question. That's why I am writing this question, because it's not perfectly written in your answer sheet. So write it properly. What is the DIFFERENCE? What is the difference between clay cups, and plastic cups? If you have a space, you can write here. I am writing here. Okay. And plastic cups. Nobody will talk. And what we have to put here? Question mark. Got it? Understood? Okay, now next is it's table based question. Okay, what you have to do? You have to select the modern means of transport and modern method of entertainment, right? Or ancient methods of entertainment. Both are written here, and you have to write them in correct place, right? Okay, what is first one? Always started from the first. Okay, smartphone. Now tell me, smartphone is ancient method or modern method? Okay, so right here smartphone. What is the spelling? SMART, smart. PHONE, phone. Right? It's done. Now what is second? Drama is ancient or modern? Ancient, right. So write it. Drama. DRAMA. Now next is video game. It's a modern. Video games, right? Next is folk songs. Yes, it's a ancient method. FOLK. Folk song. What is the folk song of Rajasthan? Ghumar. Very nice. Okay. It's a Ghumar is a folk dance, right? And there are lots of Panihari, Kalbelia, lots of, right, songs and dance forms of Rajasthan, right? Okay, now next is Gilli Danda is a ancient, right? GILLI, Gilli, DAN, Danda, right? Because our previous generation also played this game, right? Okay, and next is OTT. OTT platform included TV serials, movies, reels that you watching in the mobile phones, right? Ma'am, only 5. Okay, so let's write OTT platforms, right? Got it? Okay, now there are some 3 questions here, right? Let's discuss these questions. Okay, what was the first one? What is the structure of an anthill? Like means anthill का जो structure होता है वो कैसा दिखता है? This is the question. And what is the answer? From outside. अगर हम बाहर से देखते हैं, an anthill looks like simple hole. आपको anthill कैसा दिखता है? बिल्कुल सिंपल होल आपका से लगता है बिल्कुल छेद जैसा है, राइट? बट इनसाइड इट डिवाइडेड इनटू मैनी. ओके, मींस आपको ऊपर से तो ये होल दिखता है, बट जब इसके अंदर की साइड जाओगे तो यहाँ पर क्या होती है? बहुत सारी ब्रांचेस होती है, राइट? These holes are used for storing food, eggs, and for the ants to lay. Very easy answer. right? Next question. If people do not help each other, how will the wedding event be affected? अगर वेडिंग इवेंट में जो हमारे हेल्पर्स है वो एक दूसरे की हेल्प नहीं करे, राइट? जैसे फार्मर, कन्फेक्शनर, राइट, कारपेंटर, these are the people who help in a wedding function, just like or confectioner and band master, trailer, right? Florist, lots of people are there, right? If they do not help each other, अगर वो एक दूसरे के हेल्प नहीं करेंगे तो वेडिंग इवेंट में क्या इफेक्ट आएगा? So if people do not help each other, the wedding arrangement will become कैसे हो जाएंगे? डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड हो जाएंगे एंड इनकम्प्लीट लगेंगे, राइट? ओके, द कन्फेक्शनर, कारपेंटर, बैंड म्यूजिशियन एंड अदर विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू देयर वर्क अलोन. कोई भी अपना काम अकेला नहीं कर पाएगा, राइट? देयर विल बी लैक ऑफ प्रॉपर सेटअप फॉर द मंडप. आपका जो मंडप है वो प्रॉपरली सेटअप नहीं हो पाएगा, फूड अरेंज नहीं हो पाएगा, डेकोरेशन नहीं होएगा, राइट? एंजॉय ऑफ वेडिंग विल गेट affected. Understood what is the answer? Okay, what is the next question? What could be the result of not following traffic rules? अगर हम ट्रैफिक रूल्स फॉलो नहीं करेंगे तो उसका क्या रिजल्ट आएगा? हाँ, not following traffic rules can lead to yes ट्रैफिक जैम और रोड जैम. अगर आप लोगों ने ट्रैफिक रूल्स फॉलो नहीं करे तो ट्रैफिक जैम हो जाएगा, राइट? और इट्स लीड टू एक्सीडेंट्स होंगे, राइट? लॉस ऑफ लाइफ एंड प्रॉपर्टी, बहुत सारी लाइफ और प्रॉपर्टीज का लॉस होगा, राइट? इट क्रिएट मिसमैनेजमेंट एंड इंक्रीजेस डेंजर ऑन द. तो रोड पे बहुत ज्यादा मिसमैनेजमेंट हो जाएगा और काफी ज्यादा डेंजर सिचुएशन इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. ओके, got it? These are the 3 questions in your weekly test third, right? So total marks of 20, right? I hope you all understand the questions. Okay, if you have any mistakes in this weekly test, then you have to do the correction. Got it, everyone? Okay, goodbye, everyone. Okay, we will meet tomorrow with FA2 revision, right? Goodbye.